Y'all there? I'm back. Mm-mm. New face beat. Who this? You know what? That's not bad for no amateur. I used to be a makeup artist but that was back in another lifetime ago. I told you I'm old. And so I just threw it together. And then what didn't match, I slapped a filter on there. That's what you're supposed to do. That's what you do. Oh, so I said I was going to do written word, but I'm team nothing nice. And he sent me an email. It's just work. It's just work. Oh, but I was gonna show you. So, with my glitter. Mm, Look, I can't even hold my eyes. These are by Beauty by Brittany Kiana. Okay, so I'm gonna have to lay my back is my back hurt because of my age and everything. So I used you saw me put on some green. I put on some green lip base. And then, because I used some gloss, I used my blue gloss, actually it's blue green. And then on top of that, I also put a green base on there, which was just some eyeshadow. And then I took that and I put some blue glitter. How they do it? Like this. I took that and and I didn't know how to do it because I didn't get instructions because I just get so happy for my gifts and my products. I didn't really ask now, what am I going to slap this on with and make it sticky and tacky? So I just took me a little bit of honey. I took me like a little bit of honey. Put it on the back of my hand. And I dip, clean, dip, clean, dip, clean. And that was easy. And that's what I did. And I stuck it to my eyes. Now that's the green up there. But I already showed you this. I showed you the green. I should have just made a video and put it on the damn channel. Oh, look at all these colors I got. I got gold. Okay, that's gold. I don't know how they be doing it in YouTube videos. I barely can't see. Purple. I'm gonna do that purple. I got every color of the day. Okay. I got red. I'm in my A when I love that red, but I'm gonna mix my red with pink because I'm so passionate. Everybody knows how passionate I am. I'm gonna reach out some passionate notes tonight, but the way my stomach had been working, I'm gonna have to do my pork chops first before I come back on. Normally I can go online or do a class, a YouTube video, anything, and then then eat, but no, not today. And this is the green that I have on my eye. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit closer. And you know what? If I'm doing it, this is not hard. It's attractive though. That's cute. And I have some blue eyeliner going under here. And then I put a little black in. I had a lot of drama going on. Makeup ain't no easy win for me. So I have to take my time. And, I be trembling. That's why I don't have no lashes on, really. I just use 3 coats of mascara. I have to let Brittany put my lashes on because I be trembling. And then I get nervous and then I want a cigarette. And then, all that gets unattractive. What is the point then if I'm going to do all that? So that's all I did with these glitter colors. I told you I wanted glitter for so long. I love glitter. Make me feel unicornish, feel, nice. But that's all I got. Oh, somebody gave me a heart. By the time y'all act like y'all there, y'all know I be on y'all's feed and everything, smiling and grinning. Who is this right here? Hello, Emmanuel. Thank you. Yay. What's up? What's up, my brother? So I will come back. I'm going to come back and do probably some poetry or reading from a book or something like that. Everybody needs to calm down. It's all this, you have to get masked up going outside and everything. And, they don't want you to be touching or nothing. They don't want any type of human contact. So I'm going to just read y'all something romantic. And I think I'm going to read something for people that are, you in a relationship, but you work different shifts. You can get a gap in between that sometimes. Sometimes, when you be feeling it, old girl is at work. And then she come home, she be like, damn, old boy at work or whatever. So I'm going to read some things like that. You can just put it on the refrigerator. Take some notes while I'm reading. Take some, get your pencil and paper, bring it. When I come back, I'm going to be back. I tell you what, I'm going to come back at probably 11-ish. The later that it get, the more I wake up. So, 11ish at least. I'm trying to come on earlier because I know most of y'all, y'all go to bed kind of early, so I'm gonna go to bed early. But it's Friday, so I figured everybody might be up, and you can just spend a little time with me listening to this, and this might help you with your significant other or whatever. I'm gonna get my sister called me today. I was so happy to talk to her. I just yak her ear off or whatever. She called me and we just laughed and grinned and kicked it and she told me I need to be more focused back on the J-Ro business, and I should because all this PR and something, sometimes it get a little bit so I'm gonna get back over there a little bit. I need to take me a little break. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna take a week or something and just focus on my spirituality and help everybody else with their spirituality. And then of course I'd still be working, because nothing nice is just gonna work me like that. It's just no type of way around that situation. But and I love it. I ain't gonna complain. My family I mean, how you get out of it? So I don't have any complaints there. But I would like to share with you guys some of the poems that I like and some of the good readings that I like because everybody know, like I said, I'm romantic. I don't it's no way around that about me. Although I'm not out there on the market. I'm not on the market, but I'm still romantic. And I don't mind talking about romantic things. With my platonic friends. That's what what's the big deal? Okay, so now I showed you the glitters. Now, you know what? And guys, you get this for your lady. And if she say, I don't know how to put that on, t- bring her some honey. Stop by the store after you order these. Now, before you order, just keep the honey. And then when these show up, you put the honey in there. When say, well, baby, all you gotta do is put a little dab on your hand, and you can just stick this all over your face and just go crazy with it or whatever. Just go crazy with it. And she gonna like you so much. She gonna like you so much. And then after you glitter her up and everything, then we gonna slap one of these poems on her that you did not write. And you don't have to write it. It's the intention. It's the thought behind it. That's what's gonna count. And you gonna be back in the game. Okay, so I'm gonna season my pork chops, and I just hope a drink come through here or something. I just hope somebody just deliver me a drink or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Get ready and everything. So I will get back with y'all. You see, I came back. I came back like I said before. I'm gonna be more proactive with this. I'm not gonna hold no grudge against them. So I will be back, and everybody be ready because I'm gonna have a good reading. Okay? Bye.